Hello my guys and welcome to another episode. For this episode I have a new installation. LEDs from the company Oxilam. This is 9005 LEDs. I'm going to show you the installation and the whole process on these LEDs. So let's get to it. From the company Oxilam, LED light M55 series. On the package you're going to have gloves, product manual, and the LEDs. I see these lights before. Quality is really good on these LEDs and super bright. And the good thing about this, on this one we have projectors, not reflectors, so these lights they're gonna look awesome. Let me show you how they look right now, and I'm gonna show you how they look after the installation. Installation is super easy. You just unplug, twist, pull. And these lights are kind of weird. They have two connectors, one from the outside and the one from the inside. Once you remove the one from the outside, same clip, remove the one from the inside. It has a little clip as well, so you just pull in the clip on this side. You see the bulb in there, twist it, pull it out. And this is 9005. I'm gonna do the installation, but like I said, first I'm gonna clean the lights and then we're gonna see how they look at night. Look at those lights, super dull, and this headlight is crusty. You barely see it right there. Even with the new LED, you're gonna see better, but we still need to clean this. You can see the difference in there. Installation is complete, but definitely we cannot send this vehicle like that on the road. We need to clean that. Just by cleaning the headlights, we have better illumination. Imagine with the LEDs now. But let's go for a ride so you can see how it looks before the installation on the LEDs. This is the before with the halogen bulbs. It looks better now. It looks a lot better because we clean it. High beams, low beams. We're changing only the low beams, but it's still. I'm gonna show you in a minute how it's gonna look. So let's go to the garage, change them, and go for a ride. If you can see, if you have a RAV4 like this one, make sure that you get some more LEDs like these ones, because the big ones with the big fan on the back, they might not fit. So make sure that you get something like this. Installation is complete. Let's go for a ride. LEDs are on, same level, and this is projector, so we're not gonna bother anybody. And that's with the new LEDs. Night and day. They look really good and safer for my customer. She's gonna be driving really good at night with no problems. She's gonna be able to see everything. There you have it. Looks a lot better, safer, and she's gonna have a good LEDs for a long time. So there you have it, guys. I'm gonna leave the link in the description for these LEDs. This is a 9005 LED. This is a 2015 RAV4. Fitment is perfect for it. Link in the description. And not only for this vehicle, Oxilam, they have a lot of LEDs. If you don't need 9005 but you need H11 9006, just check the link in the description so you can choose your LEDs. I hope you like this episode, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you on the next one.